Yeah.
Got some good stuff heading our way, especially for today, because it can be dry out there. Yeah, there's going to be more clouds strolling in here, but at least they're not going to be dropping anything on us yet. And as you get a little tour of the studio here, here's a look at your out-the-door forecast for today. Chilly start to the day, especially across the Niagara Frontier and the Buffalo Metro, but then we start to perk up rather nicely. Temps rising through the 20s into the 30s, and even though this is only giving us 31 degrees, I think we're going to get up to about 34 for a high at the airport this afternoon. And yeah, maybe even sneak in a little bit of sun. For you folks south of the city, you're definitely going to see some sun, at least initially this morning, kind of mixed with some clouds passing through the area. But on the weather map this morning, we have the big H here along the eastern seaboard, fair weather system, and the moisture is way back to the west, but eventually some of that's going to be getting in here, actually in the form of mainly snow, I think, across northern areas during the day tomorrow. It's not a deep storm, but it will add up a little bit. So we're going to be in and out of some clouds at least for a while this morning, and then the clouds just really kind of take over as we enter into the afternoon. But at 1 o'clock, it's dry, and even at 5 o'clock, it's dry. Here's the snow approaching the area from out of the west, but that actually is going to be passing north of the region as we get into the overnight period. Just a little bit of spotty mixed snow or frozen mixed precipitation, at least developing during the overnight. This stuff is not going to add up to much, at least during the overnight period. But then we get a more sizable batch of moisture in here just in time for the morning commute. And this could have some impact on the commute, at least tomorrow morning. Snow across northern areas, maybe a little bit of a sleety, freezing rain mix as you get down toward the southern tier. But even down there, it may go over to snow for a while. And then I think we may get more of a mix in here, especially as we start to work through the afternoon hours. But that snow, even though it's going to be light, may add up to a couple inches, especially across northern areas. More of a mix tomorrow evening initially goes over to some rain showers. And these rain showers, at least on Wednesday, are going to be spotty and they're going to be light. So I'm not anticipating flood issues here. And then a bit more light rain gets in here getting into Wednesday night and Thursday. I do not foresee heavy rainfall heading our way this week, which is definitely good if you have 5 or 6 feet of snow on the ground, as is some of the places south of the city and even into some of the eastern suburbs where substantially more snow fell as compared to downtown. Here's what we're looking at. In terms of snowfall, at least during the day tomorrow, this is giving us roughly about 2 inches. I'm going to go 2 to 4 across northern areas tomorrow. Notice the amounts drop off to the south because you can have more of a mix at least going on in those areas. And this is the rainfall that's anticipated for the entire week, but also, this includes about 2/10 of an inch of the snow that's going to be coming down tomorrow. So roughly, we're talking anywhere from maybe an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of precipitation for the week. And even when it is rain, especially on Wednesday night, Thursday, and Thursday night, it's going to be distributed over a lengthy period of time. So it's not all coming down in one shot. So hopefully we're going to be able to get past this week with any significant flood problems out there. This computer forecast is giving us 35 for a high. I'm going to go 34 at the airport for Niagara Falls as well, 31 down there at Jamestown, and maybe a few upper 20s across some of the higher trains south and east of the city today. So it's going to be seasonable today. Some breaks in the clouds at least for a while this morning. There's going to be maybe a bit more sun to the south of the city initially, but clouds will be thickening, especially as we head toward the afternoon with a high between 29 on the hilltops and 35 near the Erie Shore. It's going to be cloudy tonight and a few snow or mixed showers. They're not going to add up to much, just nuisance stuff, 26 to 33. Tomorrow, 33 hilltops, 38 near the Erie Shore. Light snow could put down about 2 to 4 inches. More of a sleety, freezing rain mix, especially during the afternoon in areas to the south. There may be some early in the day, too. And then just some spotty light rain showers on Wednesday, 43, 46, some light rain in here on Thursday. And after an early shower on Friday, we dry up. And for the upcoming weekend as well, as temperatures start to dip again, near seasonable readings. Nothing outrageous, at least as we work toward next weekend. Scott?